That is the reason.
Not a problem. It's perfectly fine.
Little one is also part of the crowd now.
Yes, yes. Great. So all of you are here, and before starting our conversation, a question I'm having, which I was articulating before starting our session, that the flyer and the detail of the session has went to more than 1,000 people, and few of you have chosen to attend this session. So, what is in your mind, Neha, Shafaqat Ali? What that thing that because of which you choose to attend this session? I would love to know before we begin our conversation.
Good question. Like this is a question which also I ask when I take any session and ask people that what is your intention to join this session at this hour of the day.
Yes.
Well, for me, Kalpana, it's your session. So I look forward to attend your sessions because I know a lot of pearls of wisdoms are being distributed. So if I can collect them live, probably it's going to add more value rather than listening to a recorded session. Number one. Number two, you made it clear when you are going to have the session. And so I also made myself available so that I can arrange my activities accordingly and I am in your session. And third intention is naturally there will be a lot of new things are coming up and public speaking is one of my favorite topics. So I am here to learn. That's
Great,
it.
great. Thank you so much. So, Neha, now your turn, if you are comfortable in sharing with your little one. During the session, just to make you comfortable, my two little ones are there, a room away, and in between the session, maybe you'll get their look. They'll be peeping between the session, so it's perfectly fine.
Okay, so I was looking to the value addition that we can make for each other, learning from each other on this topic, because we get a variety of audience. Sometimes the content is good, the students, I mean the participants are good, but still at times it is boring for them. So just trying to understand how such different set of audience can be handled.
Yes, thank you. Um, exactly. That's the point of having today's conversation, and why I'm not calling a session a conversation, because I'm going to share what I have experienced in my close to 1 year journey of being a public speaker and a trainer. And at the same time, I would love to hear your experience when you have been into interaction with the audience, with your audience or the person on the other side of the table.
Yeah, so more of a platform to exchange the best practices.
Exactly. Exchanging the
Yeah.
best practices.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, Nitin, would you like to share your why of attending this session today?
Hi all, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, because I this was really a surprise session for me because I like we are doing Toastmasters and also I was really into this field from last 1 year. Like I'm enjoying this but I always have inner fear in me whenever I face a crowd. Like what do I have to say? And something surprisingly happened. Like we are having our annual day coming up, so I got a chance to be an MC, be a part of the MC team, and I was just searching for the content. Then suddenly I found your status, so I thought it will be very helpful for me going forward, and I can get more ideas from this platform. So I feel like it was like something I was searching and I found it. So let's see. I would really like to go forward. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Harshali, Jyoti, welcome. If you would like to share your why of joining our session, that's the conversation we are having right now. We would love to hear from you.
Yeah. Hi, Kalpana and everyone on the forum.
Hi.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. from last 2 to 3 times I'm going as a guest lecturer. Though I am equipped with my all the learnings and all, then also some questions come up that I am unable to answer, or even we know the answer, we are not supposed to give the answer on that topics. Sometimes I have faced this. So I am eager to learn how to cope up with these things on which we don't have to tell anything. Means even if some
Yes.
questions come up.
Yes, yes. I know from where you are coming, and we will touch upon this topic because I'm sure all of us must have been in a situation which Jyoti is right now mentioning, that we know the answer, or sometime we don't know the answer and how to tackle that situation.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. So let's begin our discussion. Is my screen visible to everybody?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So we have our why clear, and when it comes to me, as I have mentioned, that it is a platform. It is not a one-way communication, but a platform for all of us to exchange our experiences, what we had in the past, the best practices, as Neha has mentioned. And before I begin, I would like to share my experience. There are quite a few, and through the progress of our session, I'll share most of them. But the prominent one, which is in my memory, I would like to share. And at that point of time, I'll tell you what it happens. In around June, yes, June this year, I was taking an online session, and it was a platform training. Those of you who don't know what the platform training is, it was for MEPSC, Management and Entrepreneurship Skill Council, Sectoral Skill Council of India, Train the Trainer program. And in the platform training, we train the participant that how to conduct the training session. And luckily, the topic which was going on is about the different types of participants and how to consider all of them and run your session in a way that everyone will understand what you are speaking, what piece of information you are sharing with all of the participants, because it may happen that some of them are quick learner and some of them need further elaboration or hand holding. And at that point of time, and my participant was from the training background only, in the age of 30 to 40. Suddenly, one of the participants, the pointers I was mentioning about the different types of audiences and how to take all of them together, understand their need through the evaluation and the constant feedback from them. One participant asked the question, and it was not in a polite way, not at all in a polite way. It was a kind of a question. I found it an aggressive question, and by the gesture and the tonality, I got to know that it is a attempt to disturb the session which is going on. I will stop sharing here, and I would like to see the faces, the camera you're on, the what expression you are having. And it was a kind of a first time I was facing such a challenging audience in an offline, online put together all. I've not understood what to say. That the professionalism, that keeping calm and composed attitude, benefit of all those things that we are going to talk in the progress of our session. I was not able to see anything of it. I was completely blank. And do you know what I would have done at that point of time? Any guesses? What I would have done?
change the topic? Means to divert your
Well,
what you were saying, or to divert them, something.
Yes, this would have, this is the ideal way to handle
Actually,
it.
I did this actually, means in my that where I
But
faced it.
normally what I do, like I take such advantage of the situation by narrating some stories. So I always come up with some story.
But that
And
person, great way, Pinaki, that you come up with a story. So the person to yes, we have this methodology. So taking the attention, grabbing the attention of the audience.
like one of the common stories which I use is that tortoise and hare story. So the question normally which comes that what is the moral of the story, as we have been taught in the childhood, and it says the slow and steady wins the race.
Yes.
Yeah. So I connect with the audience that you are having that kind of mindset right now to attend this session. That I will remain slow, I will remain steady. So that probably I can win the race because and you wait for to see all the hairs are moving around, jumping around. The choice is yours. So that's one way of putting it together. See, the whole point is to connect with the audience. You need to get into their shoes and figure out what they're thinking, what they're perceiving about their session at the point of time.
Exactly. The whole point is we will come to this and we will more talk about this only, that the whole point is to connect with the audience. And at that point of time, I've not done this. And but at the same time, I will not shy away by saying that I actually held that session halted at that point of time. And I called my mentor, my senior in that training arrangement scenario. I brought him in the session. I told him that, sir, this is a situation occurred where I'm unable to handle this difficult participant. He's actually making me creating so much of trouble. He stepped in, and after he stepped in, the things went smooth. He didn't had to utter a single word. And after being in the session, that participant also not created a problem. But now, after having now that it's almost 6 months past, and I have taken online, offline sessions, I have learned through the journey. And when I was articulating my points, my experiences, and thought for this presentation, this incident came into my mind that yes, all out of all the scenario, this one I should mention at the start, that how it was initially for me. And all of you will relate to my point. First, let me tell you the time which we are going to give, the discussion which we are going to have, what we are going to discuss, why this point need to be addressed. Then, before looking into the different types of audience, the very important point that I consider, if you have been in any of my public speaking and communication session, you will get a hint of it, what I'll be saying about our own self. Very important foundation uh, that we are going to discuss, according to me, according to my own experiences. And then different types of audiences we are facing, we have to tackle with. Tackle is not the right word. The opportunity we get to interact with the different types of audience. And the very important point is handling questions, how to handle the question, and few more points around this topic. Including me, 7 of us are here. And जैसे हाथ की 5 उंगलियां सेम नहीं होती, not no none of us are same. हम अगर अपने साथों की भी बात करें, similarly, any of the session which we are going to have, like Nitin is going to do master of ceremony, so his audience will not be the same. There'll be someone who will admire him. There'll be someone who will say, "Oh, let's see what he's going to do." So that that type of crowd, the different types of audiences we face. And when we pass, let's take an example of today's session itself. I am having some experiences and some piece of information that I want to share with you. And put together all these different personalities, different mindset, different thoughts the people are having. We have to convey our message politely, conducting the session smoothly. And that's why we want to know how to handle the situation with a grace, with a professionalism. Coming back to the point, I have mentioned that those of you, is everybody with me? सब जगे हुए हैं?
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so सब जगे हुए हैं, तो एक question है कि before understanding the crowd, Richa ji, why it is important to understand ourselves? Or to the other participant?
I think knowing your own style is important before you know someone else. That self-awareness is first, and then comes the social management.
Yes, yes, close. Yes, Neha. So when we talk about the difficult audience or a crowd or a participant, hear me carefully. So we are labeling it difficult, na? Difficult or unmanageable, or a crowd which is not ready to listen or not ready to pay the attention. It's in our thought, how we are taking it, right? There are different age groups. Let's take an example. Today morning only, I was into discussion with my mentor in training, Shama sir. Some of you already know him, respected CA Shama Bhatt sir. He was mentioning that suppose the retired government officer, they are in a zone that they feel that they know everything, and by their organization they have to attend the training session which is going to be conducted, let's take an example, by us, right? And they are not in a mood to listen. And we are, if we will be going there with this mindset that, oh, what we are going to do, this audience is not ready to listen, I have to perform this job because I'll be paid for it. Or say, for example, in Nitin case, he is doing, he'll be the master of ceremony. This responsibility is given to him, and it is up to him that how he will consider this scenario. And while performing this activity, like I'm taking this session at this point of time, what I'm thinking, is it important or not?
Yes.
A question asked by one of the participants. We will see in the slides coming ahead in our discussion that it can be a curious question from an enthusiastic audience that he wants to know more. He is actually engrossed in our discussion, the points we are sharing with them. But we may think that it is an interruption. It can happen. Yes or no?
Yes, yes, definitely yes.
Yes.
तो खुद पे काम करने की जरूरत है पहले, ज्योति, या नहीं?
डेफिनेटली।
ये मेरी उंगली दिखाई दे रही है सबको?
नहीं मैम,
ये
उंगली तो
ये
नहीं दिखाई दे रही।
ऐसा,
हाँ, दिखाई दे रही है, अब दिखाई
ये
दे रही है।
ये
लेकिन
इसलिए
उंगलियां हमारे तरफ है।
यस,
ये नहीं, चार बोल दो।
यस,
चार उंगली
चार
हमारे
जो है ना।
तरफ है।
So basically, the more work which we have to do is on
It's on
ourselves.
ourselves.
ये टुच्चा हम सामने जो ये एक छोटी सी उंगली जा रही है, हम अपने बेचारे ऑडियंस पार्टिसिपेंट को के लिए ये 1 घंटे का सेशन, अब तो फिर आप लोग कहोगे देन व्हाई वी आर हियर कल्पना, द मेजॉरिटी इज टू वर्क ऑन आवर सेल्फ, लेट्स रैप द सेशन हियर एंड हियर itself. Because the example, Pinaki, you want to say something? Just let me finish this line and then we will be hearing you. The example I've given of myself at that point of time, that in the month of June, the session. So that Kalpana has not worked on herself at that point of time. I considered it in that way. Right? Due to which that unpleasant experience for myself, I term it in that way, happened. If I would have worked on myself enough. See, when we talk about the public speaking, sharing any piece of information, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग? What my audience will think. हम जब कुछ बोलना स्टार्ट करते हैं और any session we take, it's mostly me. But in any of the session, there are 3 areas, a triangle. It's us, is our message, and our audience. And these type of scenario happens when we bother too much, when we think that कुछ ठीक नहीं हो रहा है. Most of the time, on those scenarios, on those situations, we are only thinking about us and not about our audience or the information, the message we want to share. Agreeing? All of you are agreeing to the fact what I am mentioning? या फिर किसी का इस पे कोई और विचार है? Let's hear Pinaki what he wants to share. Yes, Pinaki.
See, in NLP, we have something called calibration.
Yes.
And calibration का जो पहला step है वो है rapport. And the first rapport that I think I need to build it with myself. मुझे पता तो चले मैं कहाँ पे हूँ.
Yes.
है ना? अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं मैं कहाँ पे हूँ तो जाना कहाँ है उससे क्या मतलब है?
Exactly.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
it.
Thank you. तो अभी तक मेरी रेलगाड़ी के सारे डिब्बे मेरे साथ हैं. नेहा
बिल्कुल सही,
नेहा
बिल्कुल
की डिब्बे में एक और डिब्बा लगा हुआ है, छोटू डिब्बा. So maybe he is not with us. It will help you immensely. Mark my words, it is my own experience that working on ourselves. And through the progress of our discussion, we will time and again come back to this point. So I have mentioned this point also, that we mostly think that how people react. And again, suppose some of you are asking me any questions, or let's take an example in a formal setup. I'm taking a technical topic, and out of the audience, someone raised a hand and they asked the question. And at the time of the moment you see the hand raise, what thought goes into your mind? Oh, ab pata nahi what he is going to ask. Whether I'll be knowing that answer or not. Oh God, ये session खत्म होने तक रुक नहीं सकता था क्या? होता है ऐसा. Some point of time it happened with me. That's why I'm mentioning. है ना? So don't take it don't take it as a matter of pride. Take it. It is that session is not about you. Again, I'm mentioning it is about the information you are going to share with the audience. That value addition you are going to add into their life, into the knowledge they are having. And question in specifically offline setup as well, and in online setup, questions are the reminders or the flag that it shows that सब जगे हुए हैं. Everybody is interested in what you are talking, right? Except few of the scenario or situations. अब आगे चलें.
So, Kalpana, just one thing adding to it. I think ये जब हम beginning phase में होते ना तब लगता है first thing. Second thing, when we do not have much control over the content,
Yeah.
शायद तब हम ये face करते हैं कि oh my God, situation. So we
Yeah.
quickly try and wrap it up. Okay. So we move on to the next, and this is so. I hope everybody is understood. So we try to shrink it somehow, the session, that particular area, and once if we get the control of it, then it becomes smooth to handle.
Yes, I'm glad, Neha, you have mentioned this point. Yes, at one thing, it happens in the initial journey. Second, even if someone is in the game for long, but not so he's taking a session on the topic he is not having that grip. He or she is not having the grip. At that point of time, also, this situation happens. This type of thought process goes. So, this is also a point we are going to discuss, that to have that calm and composed attitude throughout the session, that to have that command, to have that buy-in, which we are going to discuss with the audience, what we need. कि भाई हम जो बोलने आ रहे हैं वो हमें, we should know it thoroughly. Then only we will get the buy-in from the audience. The example which I was sharing about the retired officer, in those type of difficult and challenging audience, how we will get buy-in from the audience? By showing, by in NLP language, first the rapport building or getting their attention, and that how that will happen, that buy-in from the audience, those are listening from us, will only happen if we will prove that yes, we have some piece of information which they don't have, right? Then expertise, our expertise. Yes, Neha.
So is it that something, if we pick up from the very relatable examples, if we have something which is related to them, maybe a day-to-day, some example, if we pick from the real life, okay, related to them, I think they would be more interested and they would be more engrossed in the session then, more interested.
Exactly. And with that, the audience type which we are going to discuss is the same which we are talking about, the distracted one. Those who are not engaged in, not interested in what you are talking about. And here I will give another example. I'm taking session of the with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for the CA intern and CA final student. And this year I got one batch. They have their batches for 15 days. 15 days. And I got the batch on last day of CA final student. And Richa and Jyoti, they will able to relate to what I'm saying. Last day of the MCS batch, and they were not in a mood to listen what I am going to talk about. Oh, the same. First of all, we will we will have to give some introduction, or there will be a group discussion or some sort of communication or public speaking. The same stuff is going to happen. They were not interested in the content I was going to share. Plus, out of those 14 days, the bonding they built in between them, the 50 batch student, their last day was there. They were planning their farewell, group farewell. So their mind was up to that. And how I would have, nobody was in a mood to give their introduction. What I did, I have given a challenge to them, divided the whole session in a whole batch into two groups. And I told them that, yes, nominate one participant, one student from this group, and the other group will see who can beat him or her in the self introduction. Because 14 दिन में बहुत introduction दे दिया है, तो अभी तक तो आप introduction देने में धुरंधर हो गए होंगे, पारंगत हो गए होंगे. So let's have the competition of self introduction. And you will surprised to know that 1.5 hours all were engrossed. Because what I did, the element of competition was incorporated. So that we have to do, that some attention grabbing from the audience we will need to incorporate, and the discussion I was referring of today's morning of the retired officer. उनके केस में क्या होगा कि how that buying will happen. This question we will take at the end, and I will suggest all of you, request all of you to brainstorm on this point कि ये जो अभी तो मैंने एक स्टूडेंट का एग्जाम्पल लिया है. I hope everybody is with me. So that was about distracted audience. Moving ahead is the talker. Talker, and the next one is the interrupter. And there is a thin line between the talker and the interrupter. Can anyone tell me? They'll interrupt in between the session. They want to share. They want to speak up whatever in their mind at that moment itself.
Well, I think the talker talks to the person next to him. The interrupter will interrupt the whole audience.
Yeah, little bit close to it. The talker who quite often speak.
He may be talking to himself also.
Yeah, he may be talking to himself and to the speaker. The point, maybe the point he or she is raising, consenting with the point or mentioning his viewpoint. So the thin line of difference between the both is
I would
the
say one thing,
interrupter.
like
Yes,
I
yes,
interrupted you now. Okay.
yeah,
Like
yeah.
I interrupted you now, but if I would have been the talker, I would be listening you first and then would talk.
Yes, yes. So yes, very बहुत अच्छी तरीके से आपने इसको उदाहरण से समझाया है ज्योति. वेल डन. Yes, you are close to the answer. You have given the answer. The interrupter is want to share his or her viewpoint after hearing the speaker. कि हाँ भाई, अच्छा ये वो कहते हैं ना, एक बल्ब जला, वो दिमाग की बत्ती जली. अच्छा, I have listened this. Oh, can this also happen? Can this also happen? अच्छा, इसके बाद ये क्या होगा? They are very enthusiastic to know further. The curiosity between in them is the reason they talk or they put across their point. Whereas in the interrupter, the intention is to challenge the speaker most of the time. देखे कितने पानी में है कल्पना, आ गई है सेशन लेने. Let's check her knowledge.
I have faced in the same line sometimes.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes. It happens. It happens. So मुझे एक याद आ गया, एक ओसी बैच में one student he said सब कुछ ठीक है मैम, जो आप कह रहे हो और जो बाकी की फैकल्टी आती है वो भी जो कह रही है वो ठीक है। हमें बेस्ट करना है, वी हैव टू डू गिव आवर 100%, हार्ड वर्किंग, वी नीड टू बिकम एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी। बट टेल मी वन थिंग, ऑर्डिनरी रहने में क्या बुराई है? In very calm and composed manner, he thrown this question to me. What is the harm in being ordinary? मुझे नहीं देना है, मुझे नहीं लेना है ये मेहनत to become extraordinary. I don't want to push myself. My question to all of you, if you would have been at that point of time, what would have been your answer? So the second question to my audience, the second scenario, this also we will discuss at the end if time permits, and it's 6:36 already. So the way to addressing the talker, how it needs to be. Jyoti, कैसे होना चाहिए when if we want to address that enthusiastic participant, or for that matter, that
First,
interrupter.
to thank you him that he is the only one, that person. In your case, this extraordinary one. He is
Yes.
the extraordinary only. Asking
Yes.
such an extraordinary question is only the extraordinary person can do.
Yes, yes.
Acknowledging himself means to acknowledge him first that you are the only extraordinary people. I'm glad. means उसको अपने ही क्या बोलते हैं ट्रेड से अवगत करा दिए, एंड देन वो कहीं ना कहीं ये सोचेगा अरे हाँ अब he will pat himself. Might
Yes,
be.
and I felt like addressing his concern was important, and if needed, talking personally to that participant, not only to him. In fact, you will admire this fact कि ये question उसने सिर्फ मुझे as a faculty has not asked this question to me. He created that assumption, that thinking process in all rest of the students, that yes, what is the harm in being ordinary? What is the harm in being not listening to what the faculties are mentioning in giving our best? So here, not only addressing him, not only addressing this question to himself, but giving the message to all the audience is important. And you will agree to the fact that how we deal with one participant, with one student or one audience for that matter, indirectly we are giving message to the whole batch, है ना, कि how we are in considering each one's point of view. तो हमारे लिए हम एक को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं बट मैसेज सबको जा रहा है, that what the question coming from that side and what the answer is going from this side. So considering that, we have to be careful in addressing it politely, sticking to what we have to speak, है ना, कि yes, very admiring that yes, the way Jyoti has mentioned that what an extraordinary thinking you have, and we will address this point. Hold your curiosity for some time. We will come to that point and engaging rest of it. Yes, because the like today, I've reached to close to 6:40 with 20 minutes remaining time. I have to complete the outline objective of my session, right? With the information I want to share, with the experience all of you are having, with the sharing all of you want to do. Anna, the similar kind of a situation we will be having in most of the session, that in all of the session. In the given time frame, we have to pass the information, not keeping a single question raised unaddressed, not keeping a single concern unaddressed. As I have mentioned, as compared to the talker, that difficult audience that the question has raised. And there can be two scenarios. We don't know the answer or we know the answer. In any of the situation, thanking the audience, not only by words or for the that matter for like now we are discussing that yes, कोई भी कुछ concern छेड़े या उठाए, yes, I'm grateful you have raised this point. We have to be grateful. कुछ नहीं हो रहा है और अपना सेशन भी प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो रहा है, experience we are getting. Yes, the next time when we will be addressing the same topic, we will know that yes, this is also a direction in which people can think. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, agreed. Agreed.
Yes. So as I have mentioned that outlining the structure of your discussion, if that point, that interruption is not relevant to your topic, your outline objective, hold it for the end. That and mention that जितना भी अभी I'll mention that आपके मन में जितने भी points आ रहे हैं या फिर question आ रहा है, note it down all of them, and this session will not end until all the queries, all the concern will not be resolved. Those of you who've been in Pawan sir's session, Pinaki, I will be here until the last question resolved. And it actually need to be there कि भाई ये सेशन मैंने जिस टॉपिक पे लिया उसके ऊपर आपका कोई क्वेश्चन है, उसको रिजॉल्व किए बिना ये सेशन एंड नहीं होगा. इवन इफ इट इज आउटलाइन द परव्यू ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्टिव विच वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस, होल्ड कर रखिए. हो सकता है सेशन के एंड में हमें we really don't know the answer and there is no harm in telling the participant that I'll get back on this by end of the day or as per your convenience, है ना? Because अगर आप you don't know the fact or you don't know the answer for that matter, say for example, and if you will try to, वो हिंदी में जो कहते हैं घुमाऊ फाए, there is a possibility that someone will be in the audience who knows that what that topic is. And it is about playing with our credibility, with our reputation. Right? So note down all of your queries and concern. We will address all of them. And having a smile on the face. I have not mentioned that whenever someone raise their hand or in this Zoom online setup, the raise of hand or in the online session like this. So the expression, that open gesture, ये किसी ने ऐसे किया, yes, tell me. I hope my camera is visible to you. Yes, tell me what the question do you have? Yes, yes, yes. Welcome the question. The chatter, Pinaki, that example you have given for the talker, the terminology we are using, but I hope the crux कि हम किस तरह के ऑडियंस को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं is clear with all of you. हम साथ हैं अभी, including me, clear with all of you, right? Chatter, this one is a kind of my favorite. Initial few times what I do, and this mostly happen in this CA inter and final student batch offline setup. I give look to them first 2-3 times. उनका कुछ चल रहा होता है discussion. And this happens when I give them any activity to do. When I speak at that point of time, mostly it doesn't happen because I mostly in my session keep it more interactive and activity based. तो किसी एक्टिविटी में उनको चला, अच्छा, फर्स्ट आई गिव देम फ्यू लुक्स, सब शांत हो जाता है. उसके बाद भी इफ इट इज नॉट हैपनिंग देन आई इनवाइट वन ऑफ देम. अच्छा ठीक है, इवन व्हाट द डिस्कशन इज गोइंग ऑन, एंड इट शुड नॉट बी इन अ वे टू डिमोरलाइज देम और रैग देम और टू शो देम दैट यस कुछ बड़ा ही उन्होंने कांड कर दिया जिसकी उन्हें पनिशमेंट मिल रही है. The connection in NLP language we talk, the connection should be there. I'll come to that point, that initial rapport. Pinaki has mentioned in NLP language that before starting, I have not touched upon that point. We will have our 2-3 minutes discussion on that initially सेशन के शुरुआत में ही व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कोई हमको क्यों सुने, उसके लिए कुछ कुछ चीजें दैट आई डू इन माय सेशंस, एंड आई एम श्योर पिनाकी इज आल्सो मस्ट बी डूइंग थोड़ा थोड़ा एनएलपी का जो है वो, मोस्ट ऑफ यू मस्ट बी अवेयर, सो दैट वी विल डिस्कस. सो चैटर का, अच्छा चलो, किसी आप लोगों में से किसी का एक्सपीरियंस सुनते हैं अबाउट हाउ टू हैंडल द चैटर क्विकली इन 1 or 2 minutes. मैंने अपना टेक्निक तो बता दिया चैटर वाला. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट टाइप इज साइलेंट, इसलिए ऑल ऑफ यू आर बिहेविंग इन दैट वे, साइलेंट टाइप ऑडियंस, इसीलिए कोई आंसर नहीं दे रहा है. ओके, so you now guys tell me how to address the silent type audience. Pinaki will not answer.
I can try to engage them, like.
Yes, try to engage them. As a master of ceremony, you will have to see that everybody is enjoying in the annual function, and there will be some of your colleague, those will not be ready to gel up in the discussion or the activity which you are going to perform, or you are going to engage them.
Yeah, I mean, like, see, suppose if it's in a group and if a small one, it can be a one person. With that group, we may not be able to focus on one person at that time. But yeah, if you're feeling it as a group, it is like there are many functions. Like, as if I will take back to the first session, like know your audience. So that is what it is all about. Like, there's a book written by a BBC person. Like, it was like the art of explanation, in which it said, like, before you address a crowd, if it is a group of 50 or 100 people, we can make a group of the people, like what is the age group, or what is like what is their background, or if they're engineers, they're CAs, or whatever it is, and challenge them on their profession, like, and they will they might come up, like, it's like for engineers, it's like they said, like, our college days are like how we used to do many things and like that, and at 40, if you're challenging, like, I didn't feel that energy, maybe they will react. So it is challenging the audience is also a great thing, like you can make them speak out.
Challenging the audience, and a kind of here also it is more in rapport building. You know the background from where they are coming, and you are hitting that point, that making that connection. And yes, asking some open-ended question, trying to engage them. I've seen it again. I'll go back to the batches I take for the CA inter and final student, and I found few of the student that those remind me younger Kalpana, who was not ready to speak, not ready to look up in the eyes of the faculty or the other student. And I try to not directly pinpointing them, but trying to give them the group leader role. Not choosing the one who is already good in communication and who is vocal and engaging. And in indirect way, giving them the limelight that they are not realizing that I'm focusing on them, but trying to bring them back from their shyness, from their introvertness. Because if they'll realize, and it is a kind of, for them, I can completely relate to them, because how I was feeling at that point of time, it is for them, from my angle, is a support, but for them it is a kind of वो कहते हैं ना, आग पे चलने वाली नौबत. So I was feeling in that way. And in one of the session, I have not, I got to know that there are few participants, but I have not called them for the activity. And after the session, few of them came. They wanted to ask some question. They didn't ask that question. Someone else came. Two girls were standing. I will call them younger Kalpana. They wanted to ask something. Another girl came. She asked how to be vocal, how to be confident, how to feel good about ourselves. I have addressed that query from my perspective, how I was and how I am now. And when that girl who asked that question, she left, both of them started crying and they said that we got our answer. And actually, I told them that be comfortable with your own self. Abhi, how you are observing me, how I am dressed, this is not the true Kalpana. I'm still that girl, the picture you saw when I started my CA, that long dreads, that average looking from inside, or not inside, I'm still that. But in the professional setup in today's world, jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. So that's why you are witnessing me in this way. So I am deviating from the topic. So again, connection with them. And being a CA student myself, I've been from that background, and wo rapport building ho jata hai. So as Nitin has mentioned, the group activity, some challenges will help us. Arguer, कोई आपसे ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है क्या? Any one of you have found that someone is not agreeing to the point you are mentioning, and it is similar to this type. We have discussed the interrupter who wants to put across their point, who want the attention and prove that yes, we know more than you. Yes, Mr. Speaker or Miss Speaker. Pinaki, have you been in this? Have you came across this type of audience in the past?
Normally, I do not give the scope to my audience. When there's an argument, I ask a very simple question that, okay, with this new awareness, whatever I have shared with you, what do you see possible for yourself now?
Okay.
It's a very powerful question. It can actually kill all kind of conversations that people are having. It can make people speak. You can make people silent. But you can actually get people into the focus.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So I ask this question quite frequently. In fact, many a times when there is an argument, I tell people that चलो ठीक है, आपको उनकी बात मानने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन वो अगर आपको कुछ कह रहे हैं आपके बारे में, it's a new information for you, right? Because you are not
Yes.
agreeing with that person because it's a new information. It
Yes.
is not there in your existing information, existing diary. कहीं पे है ही नहीं. So instead of challenging it, however, looking at it from this perspective, that with this new awareness, what do I see possible for myself? With arguing with me will not take you anywhere. But if you consider it as a new awareness, probably it can take you somewhere. It's your choice.
Yes. And thank you so much, Pinaki, for sharing your perspective. Yes, with this new awareness, where do you see yourself? And yes, Jyoti, you have now hold on your question, or because we have 5 minutes more to wrap up, and 2-3 things more I want to touch upon, and then we have this Q&A. So we will open the forum after 5 minutes for Q&A. Can I wrap up? So what is my perspective on it? How the argument will arise. If you remember, I have started our discussion. The one finger in front and the 4 pointing towards us. How to step into the scenario of being argument, right? When we talk about being ourselves, knowing the subject, having the professional behavior. Appreciate the point put across, right? And we don't have to show us that, yes, we are supreme. We have that supremacy on the topic which is being discussed, at least at that point of time, to that particular audience, right? That point can be parked for the end. Politely, we can say that, yes, can we have this question, this point parked to deliberate, considering the time and the interest of all for the end? Yes, Pinaki, we will take this. I know, I knew this, that this point is where I'll get to hear from most of you, and that's why I've kept it last. So we will discuss this. So all of you are understanding what I'm trying to say. See, why to fall into that argument when we can politely handle the situation and park it for the end? And if needed, we can do it one-on-one. Because remember, the way we will address that one particular concern to that participant, we are giving that message to rest of the audience. Anna? So there are pointers. I am here, and there were pointers in others type of audience also. But being in ourselves, how we are reacting, how we are tackling that situation is very important when we talk about handling smoothly any session offline, online. And at the end, you will have to admire this fact that कि हर अब इस session के बाद, the next session which I'm going to have, I'll have a added information from Pinaki that with this awareness, what new possibility you see for yourself, or the sharing which the Jyoti has done, or Neha has done, or Nitin has done their sharing. All of you are agreeing to the fact? Yes. So now setting the clear expectation. Why I have kept it last? Because in few of my session earlier, I saw that session के शुरुआत में ही अगर आप ground rule set नहीं करते, it means that you are opening the door for that unwanted questions, interruptions. This is my experience, not only for the session we are conducting for the student, but for the adults as well. We have to be engaged and connected with the audience, but at the same time, we have to put across this message that yes, ये हमारा structure है session का, and we will love to have this structure intact. I'm sure you don't need much elaboration, means what is setting the expectation right. The pointers which we are discussing, the challenges we are discussing, offline or online session, we will have to consider. In the month of August, I have conducted online session, basics of, it was a technical subject for college student. And in spite of constant reminder from my end and the college officials, all the participants were keeping their video off. And it was like a talking to the blank screen, not understanding whether the teaching, whether the learning I'm giving, whether it is well taken from the other side or not. So the challenges in both the scenario is different, and you have to use your mind and that your decision at that point of time, that how you can ensure that जो message आप देना चाह रहे हैं, जो piece of information you want to pass it to the other side is well taken or not. Because I believe that as a trainer, as a public speaker, it is our responsibility that the message we want to pass to our audience is well taken. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस यहाँ से हमने तीर छोड़ दिया, वो सामने जाके निशाने पे लगा या नहीं लगा, that is not our concern. No. We have to ensure that whatever information, the time I have spent with all of you today, the point I wanted to put across, the utmost important point is working on our own self, keeping that calm, that temperament here maintained. That was my utmost important message, and I will keep ensure that it is well taken by all of you. And the point which I have kept, हम 7 बज चुके हैं, and the last 2 point, initially building that connection. क्यों मुझे कोई सुनेगा? In CA batches, CA student batches, what the common ground I found, like Nitin has mentioned for his organization, the background, the engineers, they all are engineers. So for those CA students, I being myself coming from the financial difficulty, I found it most of the time connecting with the audience. I mentioned that, yes, I have shared my story on the Josh Talk platform, the adversity I have been through that helped me to what the person I am. I get the immediate buy-in from the audience. In other setup, first I take the introduction of the participant to find the common grounds that I do, where I don't know beforehand, before the session, कि भाई कौन सा participant कहाँ से आ रहा है, what their education, what their experience is. I take their introduction, then I give my introduction, and I get that connection from them. So all of these technique we will learn, we will have to learn, and it will come with experience. Right? And working on our subject matter, it goes without saying, for the trainer, for the speaker, right? And I have touched upon this point, that how to handle questions. Question handle कैसे करना है, उससे पहले question को हमें politely और completely सुनना है, वरना the person on the other side will start speaking, or okay, we got it, what you want to say. No. We have to first listen carefully, right? And I have mentioned that if we know the answer, how to address, and if we don't know, in that situation also, how we have to deal with it. Right? Yes. So Jyoti wanted to share something, and Pinaki also wanted to share something. And one thing which was not mentioned anywhere, the presence of mind, being in the present moment. The anxiety, all of you will agree to the fact that the anxiety in the public speaking, as well as any of the session which we take, सब ठीक जा रहा है ना, टाइम सही है ना, everything, will I be able to complete it? अरे किसी ऐसा तो नहीं है ना, किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर तो can anyone will ask any difficult question, है ना? All that sort of discussion is going on here. Why I'm telling this? Because मेरा भी कभी शुरुआती दिन था. So do not think about the past. Oh, what will happen if I will not perform up to the mark? ये audience वापस आएगी क्या? Pinaki, Jyoti, Nitin, Geeta, Neha, Harshali, will they be back on my another session? छोड़ दो. If I'm doing my best, if I'm adding value in the life of the people, it will happen. And for that, I have to do my job with utmost what?
Passion.
Yes.
Integrity, or you may say utmost integrity.
Yes. Yes. So, no, 7:04 हो गए. So when today I was waiting, I saw that maybe I made some adjustment in the timing of Art of Influence. मैंने कहा कोई भी participant नहीं होगा. So what I'll do, I'll start recording, but I'll record my session, and So that's the commitment I was having with myself, to be honest. Right? The information, the preparation I have done on the topic, to share that information, I'll upload this on the YouTube. So that was there. And yes, I have taken 5 extra minutes from all of you. And now, so my session is formally ended here. And now I'll open the forum for the Q&A. I wish all of you best of luck for your upcoming session. And have that smile on your face, and you will rock in your session. हिंदी में बोले तो आग लगा देने वाले हो आप स्टेज पे. Nitin, this was for you.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yes, Jyoti.
Right. The last point what you said, na, setting clear expectations. ये कैसे set होगा? Means list बना दूं पहले कि what my PPT is going to, or what I am going to say will be covered this only.
नहीं.
Index बना के.
हाँ, मतलब कैसे आपको communicate करना है, the way you are comfortable. Initially, when I was taking session for college student, I was making a slide. Yes, you have to enter this classroom before me. You have to leave this before after me. और एक तो मैं हमेशा यूज करती हूँ in my batches, MCS OC. When people, when now generation is like, it is not like our time ki jo guru ne keh diya wo patthar ki lakeer. So I, in a humorous way also, to give the message that what I have mentioned need to be followed, ki guru kaun hai yahan pe, किसकी चलेगी यहाँ पे. I exactly do it in this way. They laugh also and they do also. So in a humorous way, I put across my point that yes, whatever I said, I'll be doing it. You have to do it. There is no way. So basically आपको ये message उनको देना है, the structure of your session, how it will be. Say for example, again मैं यहाँ पे student का example दूंगी, that 15th day I have mentioned MCS batch. All of them were in a mood that we want to, let's sing, let's have a song, singing, shairi, dance. I put across this message that the agenda I'm having for today, it will happen. If none of you are interested, you can leave the session. If one student will be interested, the session will go on. So that type of setting the expectation कि यहाँ पे आपकी ये इधर उधर नहीं चलेगा. The point I want to convey in this structure, it will happen. हाँ, उसके बाद आपको कुछ that, yes, interaction, that engagement, that fun, it will happen time when the time permits, or we will have time for that, provided you pay your full attention. Let me complete what I have in store, and then we will see what we can do best. That is setting the expectation right. Otherwise, if you will not do it, they will take you for granted. You will have to listen to them, and this I am telling from my own experience.
Yeah.
I hope.
Yeah, and Kalpana, before leaving, yes, I would like to share one book which may be useful for anyone who's going for a public speaking.
Yeah.
So there's a book called Talk Like a TED.
Okay. Yes.
Have you
I'm
heard
also having it in my
So
bookshelf. Yes.
that is a must read. It will give you like seven tips on how to address a crowd. Like it says like if emotionally connecting with the crowd is something which is much required, and maybe stories and bringing up your personal life, like stories or something that can help you connect the crowd. Like I mean that book is a must read. Whoever is going to give a speech, I recommend it. It's really helpful. So yeah.
Now you gave me an idea to come up on with a session on this book also.
Yeah, that is
Can
good
do it
because
jointly also.
and it also give reference to this very great TED
Yeah.
Speaks.
Yes.
So TED is a free platform where we can watch the videos there also. So
Yes.
that shows how people how they can engage people.
Yes. Thank you so much, Nitin.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye. Yes, Pinaki.
Yeah, wonderful session, Kalpana. Awesome. Lot of new insights from my side. I just want to add two things. One is it's not only the expectations, it's also the intentions. We
Yes.
have to have complete clarity on that. And the audience has to have that message right away before the session starts. So the intention of the session and the expectations both have to be absolutely clear. Okay. Intention will help the audience to pay attention to whatever you are saying. Otherwise, they'll just wait for the expectations. And expectations comes at the end. So this is the intention and expectation part. And for the questions, the tough questions, the way I handle it is I just tell the audience whoever asks this question, I tell them that thank you so much. I was expecting these questions from one of you. And I'm so proud of you that, in fact, I'm so happy, I'm so blessed that I have this kind of audience listening to me this morning or this evening. No, बहुत भाग्य लगता है to have this kind of audience, to talk to this kind of audience. We really need to be blessed to having an opportunity to talk to this kind of audience. And thank you so much for asking this question. And I will definitely answer that. बस ये बोल के मैं आगे निकल जाता हूँ. So that makes a huge difference. You know, the only thing people want are two things that people want. One is attention. The second one is acknowledgement. If you just address these two issues, if you just address these two issues, or rather, let me put it this: when you address these two issues, it's not if, when you address these two issues, it's very simple to carry on with your presentation. खाली आपको देखना कि जो बंदा जो भी पूछ रहा है, आप उसको अटेंशन दो और उसको एक्नॉलेज करो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, most of the time,
That's simple. You don't need to answer that question.
Correct.
all of you will agree to the fact that, as Pinaki is mentioning, all of the speaker mentioned this. I'm glad you asked this question.
Correct.
What
Now,
was expecting this question?
there's a reason behind this. Why, when I say this, why it works. See, in neuro-linguistic programming, it says that you have all the resources. You only are at unresourceful state. And the most interesting part is any question that you are asking, you already know the answer. That's why you're asking the question. Unless you know the answer, you will not ask that question. You are already aware of it. Probably you are unable to connect the dots, or connect the dots with the dots which you received in the present session. इन dots को आप उस dot के साथ connect नहीं कर पा रहे. Only that is that unresourceful state. So whatever question people are asking, they already know the answer. They already know the answer. And the best way to address that, best way to handle that thing is to ask some quick questions so that that person can actually connect to that answer.
Yes.
That's it.
Yes, thank you.
Like on arguer, one point was on the arguer, na? That there can be the possibility, na? He or she has some little different perspective on the same point, and some other we or the speaker has. So
Yes,
in that case,
exactly.
he is not the arguer. He is the enthusiast.
Putting across his or her viewpoint, that's what I mentioned. That arguer, the terminology we might be giving by our response to it, the way we are responding to it, all the labels that we are using is how we interpreting that personality, that thought at that point of time which popped into that person's mind, right? All that labeling is by our own self. हम कैसे उस situation में जब we are deliberating, we are taking. Yes, Pinaki. You are on
See,
mute.
there is another point in NLP which says that people are not their behavior. But we label them as
Yes.
Kalpana is saying. है ना?
Yes,
वहां
we
पे
are
हमें अपने आप को पकड़ना है कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं.
Uh-huh.
Am I labeling that person, or am I actually listening to that person?
Yes. So all that is our labeling. As a speaker, we label in the different category as how we are thinking about themselves. It is actually not responding as a speaker that वो जो 3 triangle की हमने बात करी, कोई भी चीज में when it comes to passing on the information, if we think about the perspective that yes, it's me, my audience and the message, that's it. बाकी सब पीछे. And how it will happen? The different personality have different methodology to interact, considering their background and atmosphere. है ना? The way I
Right.
interact, the way Jyoti interact, the way Pinaki interact, it's because we are from the different background, different setup and atmosphere. Great. I'm grateful how meaningful discussion we had. The
Thank you so much. Such a nice session.
yes, so it's almost after 3 months, and I'm feeling happy to have such a enriching session. So Neha, you have been in the Train the Trainer program in Sharma sir's session, right?
Yeah, I was
Yeah, yes. So we are batchmate, exactly. We are batchmates.
also you take the ICA sessions, huh? So do I. These GMCA, so and all.
Yes. So we will connect and
Sure. Just one thing I want to add to, like when you were talking about setting the ground rules, making them very clear, how we can do it is there's one more way. You can write on the board or on a sheet of paper ways of working.
yeah.
Okay, wherein they themselves will come and put, okay, how you want the session to be, going. So that makes sense that they are putting their own rules, how to go about, and that we can follow. It's like, maybe no interruptions and, one person speaking at a time and things
Yeah.
like that. So that will, they themselves doing it, that, they become more accountable in that case.
Yes.
So
Mhm.
that
Thank you
can
so
also
much
be
for
one
that.
way.
Yes, so it will be if it will be in front of their eyes, it will be in their mind. नहीं तो slide में ऐसा होगा out of sight, out of mind.
True. That's why I said on the board or else on the any of the chart paper or somewhere.
Yes.
Because I am also into facility training. So all the sessions I do with activities only and least of PPT. So that's how
Nice,
in
thank
that
you.
I use it.
Okay. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for the lovely participant. And after a long time, hello. So my little one was also, he just came and opened the door where the session is ended. He saw that Mama is still speaking. He closed it and he ran.
Other one also.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Yeah.
I was
Bye-bye.
driving, but then I made it a point to, okay, let me put on my earphones and be a part of it. So I did not speak in between for a while because I was traveling.
Oh,
I had to the child. So just went and came back and then I spoke.
great. Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
but
you.
it was wonderful.
Okay. So thank you everyone. It was really nice and interactive session, and we have learned together. Till the time we meet next, bye-bye, and handle your audience with a smile on your face.
Thank you so much, Kalpa, and everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.